So Alex has been trying to get me to help him work on his car for like the last 5-6 days when I'm working, and now that it's a weekend, he's still asleep. It's like 1:40 now. Oh, it's almost 2 o'clock, so we're gonna go see what this jabroni's doing and pull his motor out. Wake up, my it's 2 o'clock.
Is it really 2 o'clock?
We got motors to pull, boy.
Are you not working anymore?
It's Saturday, guy.
Oh, fuck.
What are you doing?
Well, I don't know what day of the week it is anymore.
Guy. So the last time we worked on the Panda, we realized we had like no compression. We had 50 PSI in cylinder 1, we had 180 in cylinder 2, and 210 in cylinder 3. So we're gonna pull the motor out. I really want to pull it apart and see what's going on with it. I think it's probably just rings. If we can hone the block real quick, throw some rings in it, maybe be mint. Worst case, we'll just buy a new motor for it. Alex is saving up for a new motor anyway, but I think if we can save the one that's in it, it's gonna be cheaper and it's gonna leave more money for better parts other places on the car. So our goal is to get the motor out this weekend. I don't know if we're gonna get it completely out today, but hopefully tomorrow, if we start early enough, we should be able to get this thing completely apart. So Alex has done a little bit of tinkering. He's got the exhaust hanging down, the O2 sensors off. We just need to pull the muffler off on the back down there, and then heat shield, trans, drive shaft stuff. We're gonna start with that, and then hit it from the top. Try and make this jabroni do as much work as he can.
It's fine with me.
So he knows how it all goes down.
You should be able to pull that end out. Okay.
You get this out of the way. It's got like a press dowel, so you just keep doing that. There you go. Okay, so that pops off there, and you have a little 10mm and a 13 there. We'll see, man. We'll see what she do. What are you doing, bro? What are you doing that for?
Trying to get it off.
You using a 13?
The 13 was small, but I think it might be a 13.
Guy. Who's this, Johnny? Get it on there mint. There you go. If you flip it 180, it puts on.
Oh, okay. That's fucking sick.
Now it's just getting the end of the power steering pump off, and I'm start working on the AC. I'm doing wiring stuff under here. Get these beams ready for pull. There's a lot more crap under the OBD1 cars than there are on the OBD2, which sucks, but is what it is.
It do what it do.
It do, guy. I totally ruined that footage right now. That was the worst sound I've ever made. I'm like having a freaking autism, dude. And right here. And our NOx sensors. You get out of my face. Alright, so the harness is completely disconnected from the block, which is good. What are we connected? Oh, that 13 still needs to come out. Alex is working on the compressor. Power steering's off. Starter, all that shit's disconnected. I'll probably take the NOx sensors off.
Looking for a 13.
You almost done there, Chief?
Huh?
You almost done there with that?
Yeah, I'm just looking for the longer 13.
I don't know. I'll give it to you though. Alright, so we should be able to Give her one of those. Alright, compressor's off. Everything is off except for the mount arms, trans, slave, shift linkage. That's coming off.
We're getting work done.
The whole front end's coming off.
Okay.
Dude.
That's why the
Yeah. Bumper thing, radiator core support. All the juice, bro. This one decided to not come out nicely, so
there you go.
ta-da! Alright, now pull these memes off. Oh, I think you need to undo these to get this assembly off. And then all the plastic stuff's coming off.
You would like it.
So much shit you don't need. Get off, you bitch. Can you cut that off?
I have my knife on me. Another one. What the fuck?
Alright, I got the crane all set up. All that's just about ready to go. Alex is undoing the transmission cross member. We still got to take off the shift linkage and the slave. And then tomorrow we'll put the front end back on and start tearing down the motor. We're not going to film taking the linkage or the slave off. We're just going to get down there and do it. It's not like this is a super thorough how to do stuff anyway. It's just kind of quick cuts on pulling stuff apart. So you want to scoot over a bit. Just got to do our mounts, get our harness majority out of the way. That should be good enough. I think everything should be out of the way enough. We got to put the drain plug back in if you want to do that real quick.
Let me get some gloves.
And I'll start undoing motor mounts. Get you set up right here. Time lapse, baby. One day E36 motor pull. How you feeling about that?
Money, bro.
And it's still sunlight out, dude. This is why I love dealing with savings time.
651.
651. Hey, shout out to the Cheeto background, dude.
Hey.
That's my man. 651. So
Started a little after.
four hours plus eating dinner
Yeah.
to get a motor out. That's not bad. I'm sure that's not a record, but
Hey, man.
for someone who hardly ever worked on, like,
But not be able to do
we
that.
took Alex like through the gauntlet of working on cars for his first time. So we started with valve lapping, which is not something you ever start with, and then cylinder head work, and now disassembling a motor and pulling it out. So you didn't just like get your feet wet building cars. You like took a nosedive off the cliff. Like most guys after working on cars for like 6 years aren't even out here.
Yeah,
You know what I mean?
I'm the guy trying to dive 50 feet up and 2 foot of water.
Didn't know how to swim, just went straight off an Olympic diving pool. Get this trans off. Get the starter off. Get the clutch off. And let's get this muffin on a stand.
Right there. There we go. That's how you get a transmission off.
There it is, ASC certified.
OSHA approved.
OSHA approved, baby.
A downhill slope.
Don't worry about none of that. Pick it up. Look at that, Johnson. Alright, so you have 6 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Take them off maybe a quarter turn, half turn at a time on each one. So just go around in circles. Get ready to catch. Or not.
It's
fine. I'd still like you to get a new one. But
Yeah. I was just taking it off as if we were gonna reuse it, just in case type of deal.
yeah, that's fair. The disc actually has some pretty decent life. Yeah, it's not close to the rivets. Set it down somewhere. Wherever. I got your impact all set up for the flywheel over there.
I got it.
Sector 1.
Good looking. Alright. I mean, the flat part's kind of bent, but.
She is on the stand. Hot dog. We got a lot of cleaning up to do. Hell of a day. Hell of 5 hours.
Got a lot done.
I know, I'm about it. Alright, I'll see you guys next time. Thank you guys so much for watching. Keep it fresh, and I'll see you guys later.
We are dreaming in the dark. We are nothing more than dust.